Hey everyone, welcome to the VectorVest channel and welcome to our normal Monday night 6 p.m. video. Well, you know that on these videos we talk about the top 5 weekly picks for 3 different countries, 1 software, 3 countries, 15 stocks are what you're going to get right here, right now. And we have the American market, the Canadian market, happy Canadian Day, Canada Day. It's actually the first, but they're talking about it today. Markets closed now. And Australia. So again, thank you all for being here. This is a topic that you guys want to talk about. And you know something? After the video is done, let me know in the comments, have you guys made any money on any of the picks that I've given to you on the weekly picks? All right, so we're going to get right into the software. We're looking at the US market first. I always try to look at the graphs of the market timing graphs for each one of the countries before I get it started, before I give you your stock picks. So here's the American market. All of the market timing calls are still up. We're at a level of a 3-month high on the VVC on the US market at 58.90. Nice open day on a shortened day today. The market was only open until 1 p.m. Very little wick at the top, a bigger wick at the bottom. Shows me some buying pressure. The 3 and the 8 exponential moving averages crossed 4 days ago, giving us an open to get into the market from a short-term perspective. But we are at a 3-month high. I'd like to see if we can break through that 3-month high to let me know that the market still has legs to the upside. So with that in mind, all of the market timing calls are up. Let's get into my 5 picks for the week. So we've got to have ELF, we're going to have PDF Solutions, AEHR, UFP Tech, and Sterling Infrastructure. One of the things that I always look at in all of these stocks is I always want to make sure that the CIs are above 1. The higher the CI, the better. That tells me that the stock tends to go up more than it goes down. Number 2, I want to make sure that it's fundamentally sound. Relative values and relative safeties both have to be above 1. You put all of that together, most likely the stocks are going to be in an uptrend. And then from an earnings perspective, I want to make sure that they have double-digit earnings. All right. And last but not least, if they pay a dividend, none of these do. All right. And which is fine. If they do pay a dividend, I always want to make sure that the dividend safeties are above 50. So keeping all of that in mind, stock. Now, ELF, way overvalued. Does that catch my attention? Absolutely, but it does have a relative value above 1. We call this a glamour stock. Stocks that are overvalued, but do have upside potential. Why is this stock so overvalued? Well, it's because it's perception. The stock's price has been going up. A lot of people are putting money behind this stock, driving the price higher, way higher than the value. PDF, well, 45 with a value of 15, also overvalued. AEHR, 44 with a value of 30, excuse me, overvalued. UFPT, 196 with a value of 133, overvalued. And the only undervalued stock is STRL, Sterling Infrastructure, with a price of 58.20 and a value of 66.55. Now, many of you will say, well, if you're going to talk about some of the best stocks, why are these stocks that you're talking about overvalued? Again, I will take that under advisement, but I do like the fundamentals behind the stock. They are buy recommendations, and they do go up more than they go down. So let's take a look at the graphs. Let's graph all of these stocks and let's see what they look like. Put this on a 3-month graph, even though it's overvalued. I see the stock's prices moving up, bottom left, top right. Down day to day on a shortened day. I'm going to give you a line in the sand sitting at 108.67 if you currently own it. If you don't own it, I'd like to see it take out the 3-month high. RT is starting to fall a little bit as we watch this graph. So yes, I do want you to keep your eyes on the stock. But if the market is moving higher and the stock is moving higher, I would not be afraid to be in it. Let's go to the next stock, which is PDFS. Again, an overvalued stock sitting right there. A lot of buying pressure with a big wick at the bottom of the candle, little wick at the top. It hit a new 3-month high today. RT is leveling out. I'd like to see more volume, but the stock is definitely moving higher at a new 3-month high. And again, relative values and relative safeties on these stocks are both above 1. CI is above 1. Earnings growth is double digits at 36%. AEHR, right, breaking above a 3-month high today, like that. 3.8 crossed a couple of days ago. RT is picking up. I'd like to see more volume, but I do like that today it did break above a new 3-month high. UFPT is just rocking and rolling. bottom left, top right, can't like it anymore. Sitting there, can't like it anymore. It means it's a good looking stock. The 3 and 8 been solid, little leveling out, but a new 3-month high. I do like the pick. And last but not least, STRL, the only stock that was undervalued. Nice open day today. The 3 and 8, look at that. Came across way back here. Came together, never went below the 3. The 3 never went below the 8, keeping you in it and now still moving higher. I like the play. All right, so that's for the U.S. market. Let's move over to the Canadian market. Here's your graph. Now, interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight days of moving up. Big up arrow or up bar today on a shortened day. Well, our market was closed today, so was limitedly open today, closed tomorrow for the 4th of July. What I like about this big open candle did go back above the 65-day moving average. So 2 things happened there. Big open candle and above the 65. All of our other indicators are slowly but surely moving higher, not above the value of 1 yet. This market does have some ways to go before I feel super comfortable. I want to take that off and I want to put this on. I'd like to see if we can break above this level of 2614 on the VectorVest composite, but I like the move. Big, strong move to the upside. And it looks like it does have some room to the level of resistance of 2614. All right, let's go look at the stocks I have for the Canadian market. MATR, HPS.A, SJ. Sigma just keeps rocking and rolling, keeps making my list, and Bombardier. Undervalued. All of the stocks in the Canadian market are undervalued. CI's all above 1. Fundamentally sound. RT's moving up. Show me if the stock is moving up. Let's go to dividend. Only 2 stocks pay a dividend, and those are safe dividends. Way safe. So I like these for the reasons of fundamentally sound, all undervalued, earnings growth above 10% on all of them. CI's all above 1. I don't think you can go wrong with this basket of Canadian stocks. Let's go pick up the graph of these, put these into a 3-month graph, little different graph. On the bottom, I've got CI. Look at that CI rocking and rolling. Stock's ability to withstand long and lengthy price declines, undervalued. Here's my stop price, nicely above the stop price. Earnings per share is falling, still above a good number, but still falling. I like the price movement of the stock, new 3-month high. Let's go to the next one. HPSA, again, nice 45-degree angle. Coming off of the highs, though, but nicely undervalued. RT is bouncing around a lot. Look at the earnings per share. CI is pulling down, but still higher than it was 3 months ago. I like the movement. I'd really like to see if we can take out that 3-month high value of about 53.11. No 3/8s here on these graphs on the Canadian. Different layout, but I do like the move of the stock. Next one, SJ, Stella Jones. Nice bottom left, top right. Nice bump up in RT. Love the earnings per share. Love the CI. What don't you like about this stock? Let's go to the next one. Now this one, SGML, had been going up, moved sideways, nicely back above that stop price, bringing it back from a hold to a buy. It's got some room, though, to go up. It's got 2 levels of resistance to get above. I like that RT recently went back above 1, showing me a resurgence of price. CI is starting to move back up again. So I'd keep my eye on this one. I like it. I need it to break above that level of 57.44. Let's go to the next one. Same kind of level, Bombardier. Not as pretty as the other graphs, but it's holding its own. All right, this one is holding its own, undervalued. RT is above 1. Look at that CI. I like that play, that it's getting more resilient. Even the pullbacks, look at that, resilient, pullback, resilient, bigger pullback, now becoming a lot more resilient. So those are my 5 stocks for the Canadian market. Let's go over to the Australian market. Your graph of the market timing on the 3-month graph is a lot more symmetrical. That's probably the best word that I can use. A lot of wicks, both on the upside and the downside. A lot of movement in either direction. This is more of a tricky market, but I do like that the price of the composite is currently back above the 65-day moving average and has been for the last 4 days. A lot of indecision. Look at the dojis going on in your market right now. Big wicks both at the top and the bottom. All of these candles look more like spinning tops, okay? Let's go to the viewers. Here's my top 5 stocks for the Australian market. Overvalued, undervalued, overvalued, overvalued, undervalued. All right. From that perspective, all went up today. Fundamentally sound. All of them have CIs above 1, RTs above 1, so they are in uptrends. Let's go look at the dividends. Wow, 4 of these stocks pay dividends. Really good, strong dividend safety. Love that, love that. So we can get that income, that passive income from these stocks as well. All fundamentally sound, a couple of them on overvalued. Let's go graph these real quick. Put these on a 3-month graph as well. Beautiful. Look at that. CTT, nicely moving high. New 3-month high today. CI is nicely leveling out. DUR.AX, a little bit of a sideways move. Again, RV and RS, let me add those real quick. Capital appreciation RV, capital appreciation RS. RV and RS both above 1. Look at that CI nicely. A little bit of a leveling out. I've got a level of a line in the sand, which is sitting, oops, I don't want that. Let's go here, sitting at the value. Oh, that's the low. Let me take that off. Let me take off the last close. There we go. Now let's go put on a level, a horizontal level. Right about here. Good level, swing high. Good level of support sitting at $1.12. And then I've got the 3-month high sitting at $1.22. A little bit of a 10-cent channel. Wow, nice move on MAD. This concerns me. A little bit of a shooting star. Could be a reversal pattern. I do like the move. Bottom left, top right. CI is there. The earnings per share is higher than it was 3 months ago. I would say keep my eye. That could be a possible reversal. Keep your eye on that stock. Wow, I do like XRF coming back above that stop price, taking it from a sell to a hold. Nice open candle. Love the CI. Watch RT. All right, watch RT. Now, these graphs don't look as beautiful as they do in the other countries, but I do like the most recent moves on these stocks, so I still want you to keep your eyes on them. Big move on this one. PRN.AX, a little bit more of an aggressive play. It is a little bit all over the place. Big open candle breaking back above the level of the stop. CI is moving up, earnings per share is moving up, and RT just went back above 1. A little bit more of an aggressive play, but could be the beginning of a good move. All right, with that, folks, again, 1 software, 3 countries, 15 stocks. If you like this content, hit the like button. Let me know in the chat. And let me know again also in the chat. Are you making money with any of these picks no matter what country you're in? I want to know. Give me an honest answer. Yes, no, or... All right. With that, folks, thank you for being here for this video. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be alerted when new videos like this come out. This video is over. Until the next time, see ya. Hey VV Nation, do you want to increase your profits and generate income? Well, you can. For 99 cents, we'll give you access to the VectorVest system for 30 days. And guess what? It's a money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll give you back your 99 cents. But folks, you're going to have access to the best software out there, the best guidance at any price. All you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Folks, it's a no-brainer. Go there right now and take advantage of your 30-day trial for 99 cents.